So mga ka-CH, ito yung Macy Unit S3. Ito yung magiging harap nyo. Ito yung magiging design. Then we have one parking. Then ito yung papuntang sa front door nyo. So this is your front door. Ayan. Front door. Pasok tayo sa Macy S3 unit. Ayan. As you can see, your living area. Yan yung living area nyo. Pwede kayo mag-set ng TV dyan. So we got two windows dito, ayan, to give you a natural light during the daytime. And then sala set nandito na rin. Pwede na for the whole family bonding together. Ayan. Maupo ka dito watching TV. Ayan, maganda na. Then pwede nyo i-design like this. Pwede nyo rin ibahin yung ceiling. Ito lang yung design niya, pero pwede nyo siyang baguhin. Anything you want. So, ito na yung living area nyo. Pupunta na tayo sa dining area. Ayan. Let's go. We got window right here.